Donc, en fait, c'est un plaisir pour m'avoir aujourd'hui encore une fois. Et c'est toujours un plaisir pour m'avoir. Et donc, je tiens à nous débattre un sujet qui est plus ou moins intéressant, et à mon avis. Je crois que le sujet à lui-même, il est bien pour le faire avec loyalty, ou bien autrement dit en français, la fidélité, ou fidèle. Donc, before we begin, I think we just want to take a minute to kind of uh, clarify a little bit, what loyalty means. First, we want to say that it's good to be loyal, particularly in our own personal relationships. In fact, I strongly believe that loyalty is a very good characteristic for someone to have, particularly again in our own personal relationship. We need to be loyal. We need to be fidèle, permettez-moi de dire ça en français, because I believe that fidelity really is the essence of any relationship for that matter. However, when it comes to businesses, how do we determine whether we need to be loyal or not? I think that when it comes to businesses, we need to be loyal based on the quality of the service that's being delivered to us as a customer. And I have to say it, as much as I hate to say it, but I have to say it. We, Haitians people, are very loyal. And it is a very good thing. Don't get me wrong. As I said before, loyalty is a very good, in fact, I can even go further by saying it's a great characteristic to have. It is good to be loyal. But why that we have to be loyal to a company who are not providing quality services to us, particularly when we pay them for the service? And again, like I said, people can always badmouth, Haitians and the whole 9 yard. But I'll tell you one thing. When it comes to loyalty, I think we are the best. And I'm saying it and I'm saying it again. Haitians people, I think, are the best when it comes to loyalty, particularly when it has to do with, let's say, businesses. But at the same time, though, it's good to be loyal. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. It is very good to be loyal. In fact, I think, as I said before, loyalty is a very good characteristic to have, particularly in our own personal relationship. Very, 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 very important. However, why do we need to be loyal to a company who is not providing the quality service that we're paying for? It's ridiculous. And I think that loyalty, particularly when it comes to business, should be something that businesses earned from us. It's not something we should just hand out to a company. Now, we don't really want to make this video too long, but at the same time, we really want to get at the bottom of the surface and really discuss the topic of the loyalty. We Haitians, by far, in my opinion, of course, are the most loyal people that I know on earth. And I repeat, we Haitians people, in my opinion, are the most loyal people that I know on earth, particularly when it comes to businesses, particularly the Haitians that are living abroad, the Haitians that are living here in the States. Now, I really don't want to make this video to tackle or to insult or to, bad mouthing companies like American Airlines or Cam Transfer or the local supermarkets where you go get your food. But for the purpose of clarification, I think I want to focus so much on, let's say, American Airlines. Obviously, nous voyageons dans l'Haïti, dans le famille nous, mais majorité de nous-mêmes, nous toujours utilisé American Airlines. Est-ce que American Airlines is mainly providing us, when I mean us, I'm talking about the Haitian people, the quality service that we're paying for? If you ask me my view on that, I'll tell you straight up, it's a big no. I don't think that we are getting the quality service from American Airlines that we are paying for. On average, people pay, I would say, around like $600 for a round trip fare to fly to Haiti. Now, why is that we are paying so much money and yet we are not getting the quality services that we're paying for? It's ridiculous. It's absurd. And I think we Haitians people, I repeat, nous travaillons très dur pour nous faire comme nous, Pendant ce temps qui pour nous buy par exemple American Airlines, and yet ou pas ba nous service que nous payons. It is ridiculous. I think it is time for us to just stand up and say, listen, you know what? I'm paying you for that service. You need really to deliver the quality service that I'm paying for. We shouldn't be afraid to say that. And on top of all, si par exemple Haïtien décide pas monter American Airlines, for example, pour aller en Haïti, then therefore, success American Airlines dépend de nous-mêmes. Je ne vais pas parler de un supermarché qui est aux États-Unis, par exemple, côté OK, si je vais acheter dans un supermarché, ça Shoprite, for example, il y a l'autre monde qui a parti. We're not talking about that. We're not talking about that. We are talking about American Airlines flying to Haiti, carrying, I would say, 70+% of the Haitian people to Haiti. Again, all not boarding the American Airlines planes are detrimental to their success. Pour qui ça nous oblige à fly un airline tout le temps pendant ce temps que papa nous service, nous travaillons pas du tout comme nous. Objectif principal dans toute vidéo que je fais vraiment, c'est pour me porter clarification. C'est pour me porter capable de des stratégies. C'est pour me porter des petites tactiques comme on capable d'utiliser pour faire économie dans le parce que comme moi toujours dit, nous travaillons très dur ici pour nous faire comme nous. On pas by Gabel. And I think again, my view, I fly American Airlines. I'm not going to lie to you. I fly them all the time. Why do I fly them? Maybe because c'est eux-mêmes qui sont disponibles dans le jour que je fly haïtien. Même pas monter American Airlines parce que je suis capable de dire, they have a better name. I don't pay for names. I don't pay for names. I pay for quality service. Si par exemple, on a un avion qui relève pas qu'on est Volvo, qui fly Haiti, so long as prix raisonnable, alors, the first thing that I take into account, of course, is the quality of the service. Prix raisonnable, then ma monter Volvo pour Haiti. Let's not loyal to a company, particularly American Airlines, and for example, who is not providing with the quality service we're paying for. It's nonsense. It's ridiculous. It is time, people, to wake up and smell the coffee. Let's wake up and smell the coffee. The second company that I want to tackle, and again, this is not for me to pick on American Airlines or to pick on, let's say, CAM Transfer. Nous sommes tous familiers avec CAM Transfer, nous faisons des transferts par famille dans le pays. Non? Parfois, moi, j'étais vraiment rentré dans le bureau CAM Transfer, bien qu'il n'ait pas fait ça longtemps, ou avec moi. Moi, je me pour quelle raison qu'il n'a payé. The customer service is shitty, excuse my language. The quality of the customer service that we receive when we go to a CAM Transfer bureau, it's shitty. I repeat, shitty. Why do we go there? Oh, because we are loyal. Pour qui ça n'a là? Oh, parce qu'on parle d'engagement. Pour qui ça n'a là? Oh, nous connaissons les gens qui travaillent dans nous, ils veulent nous chatter avec lui. Pour qui ça n'a là? Oh, ils délivrent comme la carrément. Pour qui ça n'a là? Oh, you can comprendre souvent qu'il y a un good joke about. You know what though? The truth is, if you are not giving me the quality service that I want, I don't care about saving that dollar. I need quality service, and then after I tackle quality service, then I need to save money. Quand je charge, je ne vais pas connaître 9% dans chaque $100, si je ne vais pas tromper. Pendant ce temps, je ne vais pas faire réclame pour Western Union. Ou bien dans Western Union, you can charge $9. Pendant ce temps, automatiquement, par exemple, pour avoir $300-400, there's a cap. Cap là, on a peut-être $15, et excusez-moi, 13 ou bien $15 pour $300. Pendant ce temps, le cap lui-même, la charge $27, 9% pour 500. Why do you go there? And then when you go there, like I said again, the quality of the service, it's horrible. It's ridiculously bad. Why do we go there? Oh, parce que m'habitue voir le cam. The third thing that we want to tackle is the local supermarket. Now I have to admit that, I don't go to the local supermarket côté nationalité. Et m'pas dire ça ne me fait grandir. Parce que côté moi il y a vraiment, c'est bagaille un petit gens différent, tout petit. Mais cependant, moi j'ai opportunité pour me passer dans marché à côté moi comme un supermarché joie. Parce que moi j'ai papa moi j'ai ma tante moi j'ai un tas de famille, membres de famille qui habitent dans marché là, côté me capable de jouer et parfois me doit arriver au moment de mon service. Oh, on a la gueule dans supermarché là. When you go to the supermarket, it's ridiculous. There are times you go in there, the place stinks. M'dili. Ou entrer dans le supermarché, la place la senti. Ou entrer dans le supermarché là, là on achète par exemple un fresh fruit. Il n'est pas fraîche vraiment. Bagay yo mouri, mais mon poisson par exemple, on a l'acheté, ou pas être poisson, on va gagner 3 jours dormir dans le soleil. Ou pas être acheter un bois de jus en ce soit déjà expiré majorité fois, ou de préférence, la expiré dans 2 jours, et pour on peser bois de jus, on a fait non mais pour quelle raison? Parce que c'est l'environnement qui nous était. Pour quelle raison? Parce que nous fidèles. Que plus même produit en pas de frais, que viande non pas de fraîche, que les mêmes végétaux en les mêmes pas de ceci, pas de cela, nous tournons encore dans les why? Because we are loyal. Haitian people wake up and smell the coffee. People are taking advantage of your loyalty. Like I said again, loyalty, in my opinion, is something that should be earned. It's not something you should just give out. It's not something you just hand out. And as I said again, there's absolutely nothing wrong with being loyal. In fact, and excuse me if I'm repeating myself, in fact, to be loyal is a very, very, very great characteristic. Now, I can use myself as an example. I don't give anything out for free. I don't hand anything out to anybody. You want to get my hard earned money? You're going to work for it. You want me to spend my money at your store, whatever the case may be? You have to deliver the quality service to me. I'm not going to give it to you. Now, you can say, okay, well, now because you are very Americanized. I'm not Americanized. Oui, je quitte Haïti, apparemment, je quitte Haïti, je suis plus ou moins jeune, j'ai un de bureaucratique en Haïti, je ne suis pas trop familier avec eux. Mais cependant, we are living in a very big country. Things are different. Let's stop putting up with the crap. Voilà, American Airlines, ou avec moi, service n'est pas bon, c'est pour les services n'est pas bon. Et vous campez sous pied, automatiquement, campez sous pied, je garantis American Airlines après mieux. Il y a bon service qui est mieux. Mais si tout le monde a oh, American Airlines sucks, oh, those people are horrible, oh, they treat us like pigs. Mon tourner encore, il y a très au mal. Why? Because you always come back to them. Remember that, people. It's good to be loyal. Loyalty is a very great and good characteristic to have. But at the same time, don't just give the loyalty to a business, or let's say American Airlines, or Cam Transfer, or bien back on the local supermarket that you go shop for, the pharmacy, whatever the case may be, just because it's convenient. You have to demand the quality service from them. Very important. People, my people, you work very hard for your money. Vous travaillez du pour quoi? On essaie baili, ba moun nan, kap deliver good service pour nous. Et ça qui ennuie non. Pendant ce temps que vous même traité haïtien en condition pas nos services là, gen l'autre monde étranger traité bien. Là par exemple, on a un dollar bill l'an prochain par exemple, regardez. Il pas 10 dollars ça c'est dollar haïtien non. Si vous regardez un dollar bill ou bien 50 dollars bill, bien par contre 100 dollars bill, quelle que soit plus gros dénomination dans monnaie américaine là. Là dit comme ça que this note is legal tender whatever ça dit hein, for all public and private debts. C'est ça qu'il dit. Regardez un dollar dans poche, regardez-vous qui ça dit. Il dit comme ça que c'est 50 dollars, que c'est 20 dollars, que c'est 5 dollars, que c'est 100 dollars qui est one of the biggest denomination of the US currency. It will tell you this note is legal tender. It is to be used for both private and public debt. Par contre, les beaucoup moins, I demand that you deliver quality service to me. And again, people, it's good to be loyal. Nothing is wrong with that. C'est un plaisir d'être avec vous. Mais je réellement voulu passer le message à vous. Donc en fait, next time we'll talk about another topic, and it was a pleasure having you. Thank you so much and God bless.